If you're watching this, you're probably wondering why I'm doing digital marketing. Before I get into that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a dad, and I've been married for 35 years, and I'm a father of 6 children. I have 3 that are grown in their 20s now, and one of my daughters is married, and she's been married for almost 2 years now. And a couple of years ago, my wife and I decided to adopt 3 little toddlers. They are currently aged 4, 5, and 6, and in October, their birthdays are all in October, they will be 5, 6, and 7. So needless to say, we're pretty busy these days. And that's actually why I decided to get into digital marketing. You know, I had a plan for retirement. Retirement's not too far off for me. I needed a way to make additional income, raise them, and, you know, college someday, I'm sure, and all the different things, you know, all the sports activities and proms. And that's what led me to looking for a way to make an extra income. In addition to that, I've had a very, you know, successful career, but it's been very demanding, and it has required a lot of my time, and I come home exhausted and spent, and it takes me a while to decompress in the evenings, and with these little guys now, you know, I don't want to do that again and miss out on all the moments that I have in doing this, so that I can make a living and leave that 9 to 5 behind. And that's my why. Today, I wanted to present to you my offer below, which is the Digital Wealth Academy program. It is a course that is designed for beginners all the way to experts, and it covers everything that you need to know in order to do digital marketing successful. It's designed to help you start out from the very beginning with 0 experience. It will teach you how to start your business, how to set up all of your processes, how to automate everything so that it'll run on its own automatically in the background. That way, you're making money all the time. Doesn't matter where you work from. You can work anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and a phone. That's really all you need. A laptop's handy as well. It's going to teach you about email marketing. It's going to teach you about digital marketing. If you are a person that doesn't like to show their face, or you're worried about people you know finding out that you're trying to do this on the side, don't worry about that. Digital Wealth Academy is going to teach you how to do this completely faceless. You don't have to tell anybody your name. You don't have to show your face. It's going to show you how to do all of that. One of the great things about this product is that it comes with master resale rights. And if you don't know what that is, included with your purchase is a license for you to be able to resell this product as your own, and you get 100% of the profit when you sell it. It's not a commission, it's an actual, you get all the profit. So if you sell it for $500, you get $500. It's a great perk. It's not the purpose for this course. The purpose for this course is to teach you everything that you need to know in order to run a successful business online, especially when you're starting out. You don't have a digital product yet. You don't know enough to build one, and you can start selling it right out of the gate. And one other thing I want to tell you, there is one thing that you get if you purchase through me, and that is I'm going to give you my super bonus. I'm going to include my entire automated business for you. Once you get in, I'm providing you all the steps and the guidance, step-by-step instructions via video training, how to go in and do all the setup. And you're basically going to copy my digital automation for my business, and you'll be set up. You'll be able to sell this product. There's about 11 or 12 different digital products that you can sell, and you'll start right out of the gate. Within 1 or 2 days, you can be set up with your business online, ready to start selling. Take your time, and I hope to see you on the other side. Talk to you soon. Bye.